Horses and carrots.
A horse eat carrots?
Yeah.
What else?
Corn the horses.
They eat carrots. Do they eat hay too? And is that your horse? Who gave you that horse?
Grandpa horse.
Grandpa gave it to you as a present. Oh, wow. That's such a nice horse. Can we say thank you, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Grandpa, for the wonderful horse.
Legos?
Yeah, you got your Legos too. You have a Lego horse. Etsy loves horses. And there's some more horses. And there's a horse. But the best horse is Grandpa's horse. The Ella has a trunk and he makes loud noises, huh?
Do
Yeah, you saw the Ella in the zoo.
noise.
Etsy, can you say bye bye, Grandpa? You say bye bye, Grandpa.
Bye bye, Grandpa. Bye bye, Grandpa.